Before you spend a single dime on a water treatment system, you need to know if you actually have a problem worth fixing.
Scale-free life. Mineral solutions for home water.
Hard water is often called a hidden problem. Your water looks clear, but it could be carrying a heavy load of dissolved minerals. Luckily, there's a simple way to reveal the truth using something you already have sitting right on your kitchen counter. It's called the Suds Test. To do this at home, all you'll need are 2 clear glass bottles and some basic liquid dish soap. Fill the first bottle halfway with your home's tap water. We'll label this one Tap. This is our test subject for today. In the second bottle, use distilled or bottled water. This is our control. It gives us a benchmark of what clean water should do. Now, add just a few drops of dish soap to each bottle. Be sure to use the exact same amount in both to keep the test fair. Give them both a vigorous shake for about 10 seconds. We want to create as much agitation as possible, just like the water in your pipes. Now, look at the results. In the distilled water bottle, you should see a thick, rich head of white, bubbly foam that stays put. But look at the tap water. If it's hard, the water will look cloudy and gray, with almost no bubbles visible at the top. Those missing bubbles are a sign that minerals like calcium are attacking the soap, turning it into a sticky curd instead of a lather. This is exactly why your glasses come out cloudy, your faucets get crusty, and your skin often feels dry or itchy after a shower. If your test looks like this, a salt-free water conditioner is a great way to change how those minerals behave without using harsh chemicals. It doesn't strip the minerals away, but it stops them from fighting your soap and sticking to the surfaces inside your home. Test your water today to see where you stand. For a deeper look at your results and simple solutions, visit Scale Free Life for our free guide.